Nervous Systems started looking at what's available currently out in the market and what's been available in the past to identify the key pain points, one of which is proprietary hardware that locks customers into a very specific solution, and the second one of which is the long-term supportability of these products. We see that C4ISR platform to bring an enhanced level of situational awareness to the customers. It's a system that is built to be extensible, and it's a system that's also built to pull together different information from different sensors and puts it on a common mission map that provides an overall view of what is happening around the aircraft and what is happening over its area of operations. And I think that is the biggest advantage that that system brings to the operators. The ability to have one single common mission system allows them to develop procedures that are common, and it does bring significant cost savings and lower training burden for everyone involved. It's that level of operational understanding and the injection of that understanding and capability into the design process that allows us to bring value to our customers.